Don't feel prepared to embrace the day after waking up? Or know someone going through a significant transition in their life? Or perhaps you're simply feeling too overloaded right now? These motivational sayings will alter the way you view life. No, we are not claiming that these quotes will change your lives, but they will help you rediscover the goodness and great power that is inside you. Without further ado, let's look at some of the most motivational statements about life. The events in our lives happen in a sequence in time, but in their significance to ourselves they find their own order, the continuous thread of revelation. Life is not a spectator sport. If you're going to spend your whole life in the grandstand just watching what goes on, in my opinion you're wasting your life. Don't be distracted by criticism. Remember, the only taste of success some people get is to take a bite out of you. The older you get, the more fragile you understand life to be. I think that's good motivation for getting out of bed joyfully each day. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a highway, just be a trail. If you can't be a sun, be a star. For it isn't by size that you win or fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Being a successful person is not necessarily defined by what you have achieved, but by what you have overcome. You build on failure. You use it as a stepping stone. Close the door on the past. You don't try to forget the mistakes, but you don't dwell on it. You don't let it have any of your energy, or any of your time, or any of your space. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why.